So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson. Kindly, if it is for your first time coming across my video guys, feel free to share, comment and also subscribe. So guys, I know I've been telling you that here that Jamaican is being loved in Africa. The Jamaican, many people admire Jamaica. So guys, with the first clip I'm going to show you where I live in Kenya, how we love Jamaican and how we appreciate them. Thank you guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Much love and respect to Kenya, man. And let me say, man, us Jamaicans, when it comes to Gregory Isaac, the cool ruler, we love Gregory, dog. He's still stapled as an icon in the Jamaican music and reggae music. You see me? So when we see him on a bus in Kenya, you know what I mean? That's just love, man. And I keep reminding Jamaicans, man, how much love Kenya has for Jamaica, man. You know what I mean? African unity is a must right now. And, bruh, man, I tell you, man, this is beautiful. Check it out. And the content creators, you know what I'm saying, who captured that boss that's so wicked, you know what I mean? That is son, Monsieur, enough respect. Yeah, there.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got to Jamaica.
Well, actually, I am officially from Lebanon. I end up in Canada, and when I was living in Canada, I faced lots of medical issues, especially skin and eczema, and lots of complication. And then I thought maybe I can go somewhere where it's nice and hot, different weather. And I end up in Jamaica, call my community, Muslim community, and end up in Jamaica.
And so there was a Muslim community here that helped you.
Yes, of course. That's they were very helpful. They were very helpful. And also when I came here, it's just like all my condition disappeared and I felt normal and healthy and everything was like
Because of the sun.
100%. Is the weather, the sun, the earth, the food, the air, everything's in Jamaica helped me.
Is there anything you'd like people to know about the Muslim community here in Jamaica?
It's we can establish a better community here because they need really help and make them a better place for Muslim to be here.
Okay, so what's your favorite thing about wearing the hijab?
Oh, I love my hijab. I love my hijab. I'm so proud of my hijab. I I consider myself lucky to have hijab and being in Jamaica because I feel I'm so respectful from many people and I walk here so safe, so nicely, and people respect me so nicely. And
How do people respond when they see you?
number one, they think I am a nun, which fine, and also because I dress like Mary. And when they ask me why you dress like this, I say I dress like Mary. And they surprised that I believe in Mary, which we love Mary, we respect her, and even Jesus. They were so surprised, so in shock. There are a lack of information about Islam, what we know, what we love, what we worship, and there's lots of information about Mary and Jesus, and that's why I'm happy to walk on the road with my hijab and talk about it.
And is there any challenges that you faced in your life, not just in Jamaica, but while wearing the hijab?
Personally, no, not really, not really, not really. But my daughter did. My daughter did face lots of challenge, lots of them. And but we're working on it. We're working on it, and we try to to inform people that this is not the Islam what they hear on media. They have to search for real Islam, and when they found it, they know what Islam is. It's about love, unity, care, share, and spread peace. And that's what I like to do here. And I love my life here.
Nice,
Yeah,
beautiful.
thank you.
Anything else you want anybody to know about you?
Me, I'm a story myself, and I do what I can do for spreading peace and goodness around, and that's what I like to do, and that's my journey. Yeah, and I love it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. That's perfect. Sounds great.
Do you like Jamaican food or Somali food?
I like Jamaican food, and the reason why I like Jamaican food here is because the taste. With Somali food, to me, don't get me wrong, I love Somali food, but I prefer Jamaican food.
The combination,
Combination and taste. Whereas with Somali food, it's like rice and banana, pasta and banana. Everything comes with banana. Like I got bored out of banana. By the time I was 17, I got bored out of banana.
So that's all. Okay, so what's your favorite culture? Somali culture or Jamaican culture?
Oh, I love the Jamaican culture. I love both, but I love Jamaican culture more. I like the vibes. I like the music. I like everything basically.
The way they dance as well.
I love the way they dance as well. I love Jamaican. I think I'm obsessed with like the Jamaican
Culture.
vibes and the culture. But I do love Somalis as well. It's the Jamaican vibes for me.
Okay, if you invited to a Jamaican party or a Somali party, which one would you go pick? Like they're both on the same day. Which one would you pick?
Which one would I attend to? I'll go to the Jamaican party.
Are you not gonna go to the Somali?
I'm not gonna
party?
go to the Somali. I'll go to the Jamaican party because for me, I love Somali weddings. I love the Somali parties, but I like the vibes of Jamaicans more. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I like their vibes. I like their music. I like the way they move. I like it.
Hey, hello folks. Big shout out today to Jamaicans and Caribbean. Like, there's no amount of love that an African gets in the diaspora than from a Jamaican. Jamaicans, we love you, and just it's in gratis, like free love, man. I've lived across the world, and Jamaicans, yo, we love you back. We love you back. You are part of Africa, man. You're just one of the African diaspora, the main diaspora. We love you, Jamaica.
Bro, this is so fucking true. Ain't nobody love reggae music like South African uncles and aunties and the grandparents. They love that shit, bruv. I remember my second trip there. I went to Johannesburg and we rented this whole house. And it was about around 2 and something like that in the afternoon. And I went out on the balcony and the neighbors next to me, bruv, all I heard was, easy skanking it easy. Oh, pirates, yes, they roll by Buffalo Soldier. And I was like, wait, hold on, wait, what? And the mix, I was listening to the mix. It went on and on and on and on. So I was like, Jamaicans, we have some Jamaicans next to us. So we was gonna go out in it. So I was like, oh yeah, like you mans. I was telling everybody. I was like, when we're going past, let's tell like, you know, the neighbors hi in Jamaica, bruv. We got out of this house, went up to their house, got to the gate. We saw it. It was two like older couple. Like they were look like they were in like their 40s, 50s, 60s. So went up to them. I agreed to them in patois, bro. I was like, "Wow, go on, uncle." Like I was chatting patois. Please tell me why. This man replied back to me in a South African accent. I said, "Hello, hi, excuse me." He's like, "Yes, I'm South African." It was two full South African uncle and aunties, bruv, and they were in the front garden dancing the fuck like ain't nobody's business. And then you know the funny thing is like you will go into like certain areas and you'll just hear them be beating reggae, bruv. It's not a joke. I think Bob Marley performed in South Africa one time, bruv. I can't remember. But bruv, they love that shit. I don't think Jamaican people appreciate reggae music the way they do. They love that shit.
So hi guys, welcome back. I hope that you have watched all the full clips. I know people are wondering, people are asking, why is it that Jamaican is being considered as the capital of the Caribbean? So guys, we are going to analyze, we are going to see why is it that Jamaica is being considered as the capital of the Caribbean. So there are many things that even when we start talking about it now, we know we're never gonna finish them. So guys, we are going to see some like music, guys. You know, Jamaican music have overshadowed the other countries in the Caribbean. Jamaican music have taken all over the internet. Like for example, the reggae music. You know, reggae music has taken all over the internet. Many people love reggae. It has good message. Like from the first clip, guys, where you see that here in Kenya, the buses, you know, the buses, you have seen that they are playing reggae music. The people love reggae music. People love Jamaican. You see that they have graffiti and art of Jamaica, and they always play reggae music and that's all. So guys, the music, you know, the Jamaican music have so much message, good message. Like they motivate people. And for me, like I knew the reggae music when I was still young. You know, my father loved reggae music. So they used to put reggae music on radio, and I was listening to the message, how they sing, and the song was very good. I really enjoyed it. And you know, the reggae music never gets old. That's the good thing about reggae music. Many other musics comes, they hit, and then the people forget about them. But in guys, reggae music never gets old. It's enjoyable, it motivates people, it sends people where in life. So many people know Jamaica because of the reggae music. The reggae music has overshadowed other countries, and even for you now, if you go to your TikTok account, I know many of you have TikTok accounts, or you just watch TikTok videos. So when you search Caribbean island, guys, the first video to come, it will be a Jamaican flag or Jamaican people on the beach or Jamaican music. That shows you that Jamaican in the music has overshadowed other countries, and that's why people are saying that Jamaican is the capital city of the Caribbean. So guys, in the first clip you have shown that here in Kenya we do love Jamaican, we play reggae music. Like reggae music has taken all over the internet. I remember when I was still in high school, guys, there is this music artist called Vibes Cartel. He sings good song, like he sings the dancehall song, and we enjoyed it very well. Even now when you search on your TikTok and search dancehall, when you search Kenya dancehall, you see that many Kenyans, many high school teens are vibing to dancehall music because it has good message, it is very enjoyable, it is good in music festival, dancing, and many people are enjoying. Even you guys, you can take your time after this clip, go and search Kenya vibing to Jamaican music, and you will really enjoy it. That showcase that Jamaican is being loved. Jamaican is loved by everybody, and their music is being loved, guys. So the other thing, guys, is like party. Jamaican party. These people know how to throw a party. These people are very talented in organizing party and doing party. When they do parties, like you see their parties are good. Even you yourself, you wish that one day you could go to Jamaica and at least attend a party. When they do a party, they are vibing to their music, like the reggae music, the dancehall music, and you see that their party are good. They are playing their own music. It is a vibe. They are enjoying it, and the party looks like, even me myself, guys, I wish that one day when I start like getting money, my dream is to go to Jamaica and see this party, go some concert, like for Vibes Cartel. I know Vibes Cartel is one of my favorite Jamaican artists, and I love his music since I was in high school. And even right now, in my music list, I have more than 50 to 100 songs of Jamaican people. So guys, it showcases that Jamaican has overshadowed other countries. Jamaican have taken all over the internet, and many people love them. So the other thing, guys, is Jamaican vibe. Many people say that Jamaican has a good vibe. Jamaican people are very good people, and that is true because here where I live, I have a Jamaican friend, and that guy is a good person. I see when I have like some problem, he can advise me. When I have money issue, at least he can give me some. These people are very good, and they love people. They tolerate people. They are good people. They are socialite. They like socializing with people. They like to know. They like us to know. Like me, he likes me to know his culture and understand it well. So guys, that guy is a good person and is from Jamaica. And when they say that Jamaican has a good vibe, I agree with that because I have a Jamaican friend. The other thing, guys, is the food. I know that Jamaican food, people who have ate Jamaican food say that Jamaican food is very sweet and is good. For me, I've never ate, but when I scroll my TikTok, guys, I never missed anything about Jamaican food because Jamaican food has taken all over the internet. Everybody is like trying to cook like Jamaican. Even I see that they have opened a TV channel that showcase how Jamaican cook, the procedure and all other things. So many people are trying to cook. Even me, I told my sister one day to at least follow the procedure. We see if we can try, and the food was delicious. I really enjoyed the food, and I think I think like there could be more channel showcasing that Jamaican food, how the procedure, how the Jamaican vibe. Like I like it. I like seeing things like that. I hope that Jamaican people, they could open some more channels that will be showing us about Jamaica. So guys, the other thing is because Jamaican has broken many records. You know, Jamaican is being known for track and field. Many people know Jamaican because of their records, because of how they perform in the track and field. Like many people, even here in where I live in Kenya, when you ask who is the fastest man in the world, people know the man comes from Jamaica, and the man is Usain Bolt. So guys, Jamaican have overshadowed other countries because of their performance. Like in track and field, Jamaican have break many records. People know Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt has break many records, and Jamaican have still winning in the track and field. That, just look at the Olympics. Jamaican is still dominating. Like Sharika Jackson, I saw in the other videos that Sharika Jackson has very dominated. He took the #1, and he showcased that Jamaican is still on top in the track and field. Even today in the morning, I've seen another race of the under 17 and 19, and the Jamaican was #1, and it showcased the Jamaican flag is still on top. Even though Usain Bolt has retired, it showcased that Jamaican is still on top. They will continue with breaking record, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it when Jamaican carried their flag there, dancing, vibing, because they have become number. So guys, that are some of the reasons. I know the reason are many. You can share it in the comment. There are so many. When I start talking about all, when I start speaking about the reason, we never gonna end seeing the reason. So guys, the other countries, I know that the other countries are good, but they have not done much to overshadow the Jamaican. The Jamaican have done their best. They have showcased that Jamaican needs to, like, Jamaican is the capital city of the Caribbean. I know other countries may feel like you are hyping Jamaican, but go for yourself. Go search on TikTok, on Instagram, just type Caribbean, capital of the Caribbean. You can only find like the upper videos, like the upper cover page, it will showcase Jamaican flag or Jamaican people. So guys, if it's your first time coming across my video, guys, please show me some love by subscribing so that you can see more content about Jamaica and even other countries. I know many people say that I love Jamaica, I hype Jamaica, but it's true. You can search for yourself. Even guys, if you hate Jamaica, just get out of the internet, because you'll get disappointment. Like, you cannot scroll past 3 or 4 videos on your TikTok account or Instagram account without finding any Jamaican culture, or Jamaican doing their things, or Jamaican being hyped, or Jamaica being showed some love, because Jamaican is being loved globally, and many people love Jamaica and wish to be like Jamaica. So guys, show me some love by subscribing. One love.